Hi guys, in this video today I'm going to show you how to change your default browser to another browser like Chrome, Mozilla, Dolphin, Opera, etc. So let's go. Go to phone settings and move to device section. Under device section, click on apps or installed depending on your phone. If you are using an Infinix mobile, you will see apps. Just click on apps. All the list of apps you have installed on your phone will be displayed. But we are interested in changing the default browser on our phone. So click on this settings option, the gear icon option. Click on it and click on default apps. Default apps under advanced. Now there are 4 options there: assistant voice input, browser app, phone app, and SMS app. Click on the browser app, and the list of browsers you have on your phone will be displayed. So in this case, we have Chrome and TubeMate. So we select. So to make your Chrome or your default browser, select Chrome. You see, it has changed to Chrome. So henceforth, your default browser will be Chrome. Thank you.